just so I don't ruin one. Let me.
Don't want to waste the wood or something.
Just take it down another.
Yeah,
I mean, because
take it down.
all I'd have to do is maybe go another 6.
Awesome. Sweet. Nice. Beautiful. And let's see, let's all do a shape, huh? I'm gonna gouge a lot there, so get some of this crap out of the thing. Badass. Doesn't have the depth it need. What would you use to like really take out a huge metal chunk right there?
Well, this is
That would be
this if you use the point sideways like that, and just keep taking it back that way.
Wonder what kind of wood this is, dude. It like burns easy.
It's really hot.
Yeah.
Those tools aren't real sharp either.
Kind of cool burn marks though. That could be a candlestick holder.
Yeah.
Right on the top of it, dude.
Could be a menorah. Amon's making a menorah.
There you go. That looks like a pretty cool. Grab a different tool. Not bad at all.
I'll have hoses that run
There you go,
down
hoses.
to all my stations. Bam!